Hi guys, I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. By the way, fried rice is one of the Chinese food. Stir-fried rice and ingredients such as eggs, shrimp, meat, and onion. This fried rice was surprisingly difficult and I had failed. But since I did this, I reduced the number of failures. This time, I'll introduce how to easily make fried rice using Japanese soy sauce. Prepare rice. I use frozen rice. Freshly cooked rice is good. But if you use frozen rice or stored rice in the refrigerator, warm it in the microwave. The rice used this time contains black rice. Black rice is very nutritious and at home we mix it with white rice and cook it. Of course, ordinary white rice is fine. Mince the vegetables, mushrooms, and bacon. Heat olive oil in the frying pan and fry vegetables, bacon, and mushrooms. Prepare a large bowl, insert the eggs into it, and stir. When the vegetables are well fried, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Put the rice in a large bowl of eggs and stir. Try not to crush the rice grain as much as possible. Add the stir-fried vegetables here. Add 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Spread sesame oil on the frying pan that was used to stir-fry the vegetables. Fry everything in the bowl. When the eggs had hardened, it's done. Served with spring onions. Thank you for watching until the end. By the way, I launched a website and SNS the other day. In particular, Instagram also introduced what I usually eat, so please check it out. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.